changing the lock, fixing this. I've already bent this down so it will close right, but gonna change or fix these screens. We're gonna put some 8 outlets in. Boom, boom. And we're gonna put 4 of these up, one here, one in the basement, one on each level. I could just show that when they're done, you know. Boxes are there. In each bedroom, we're gonna do 2 outlets. We're gonna fix this, that. Change the plate on that one. A couple here to change. Boom. A couple here to change. Boom. Okay. The rest of it's pretty self-explanatory from there on. Not sure. Oh, and this has come loose. See, let's see. Yeah, that screw's come out. I'll have to see if I can just screw that down. All right, so let's move. Let's get it done. All right, so we got the 8 of them that I did. Just kind of showing how they're done. Boom. Boom. Put a plate on that one. And then we tore the old box out, as you can see. Put a brand new one in, very firm on there. Goes to the conduit, and a new one here too. So that's done. Okay, moving on down. We got 2 down here. That's all the ones that the tenant requested. Boom, boom. And then on the screen, got 2 new screens. All fixed. Got a new lock. Trim this a little bit so it'll fit in there. Double keyed. Bent the lock this down so it will. Got to pull it up. Alright, so that's it on those. Alright, so this was flopping around, but I've now fixed it. It's perfect. Closes just right. So perfect that as you close it, it slowly closes itself. Perfect. All right, so I installed 4 of them on every level. Do a little test. Okay, perfect. That's on the basement level. Then we'll test the kitchen level. Okay, there we go. And we got one off the bedroom level. Okay. The final one is at the attic level for all levels.